Hey there, shopaholics. Ever heard of Aliexpress? It's like a giant online mall, but way, way bigger. Think millions of products, from clothes to gadgets to stuff you never knew you needed. Get ready to explore a world of awesome finds. And guess what? It's super affordable. Aliexpress connects you directly with sellers, mostly from China. They offer crazy low prices. Why? Because they cut out the middleman. Direct from the source, baby. This means you save big bucks. And who doesn't love that? Ready to dive in? Let's get this shopping spree started. Signing up is a breeze, just a few clicks and you're good to go. Seriously, it's easier than making instant ramen. No boiling water required. Just head to the Aliexpress website or download the app. It's free. Create an account in seconds. You'll need an email and password. Simple, right? Then, fill in your shipping info. That's it. You're in. Now the fun part begins. Browse through endless categories. Use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. It's like a treasure hunt. See something you like? Click on it. It's that easy. You'll find tons of photos, detailed descriptions, and reviews from other shoppers. Make sure to read those reviews. They're super helpful in making the best choice. Happy shopping. Hold on to your hats, folks. AliExpress is massive. We're talking over 200 million active users. That's like everyone in America shopping on one website. And they've got over 100 million products. Mind-blowing, right? What are people buying? Everything. But some categories are super popular. Think fashion, electronics, home and garden, beauty, and toys. You name it, they've got it. And at prices that won't make your wallet cry. Section 4. Why AliExpress rocks. Get ready to be amazed. Okay, why should you jump on the AliExpress train? Let me tell you, it's a game changer for online shopping. Let me count the ways. First, it's crazy affordable, like ridiculously affordable. We're talking prices that will make your jaw drop. You'll find deals you won't believe. Discounts and offers that seem too good to be true, but they are real. Second, the variety is off the charts. Seriously, millions of products. From electronics to fashion, home decor to gadgets, you can find unique stuff you won't see anywhere else. Quirky, rare, and one-of-a-kind items that make shopping fun. Third, it's super easy to use. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Even your grandma could figure it out. It's that simple and straightforward. And fourth, it's safe and secure. Your personal and payment information is well protected. They use top-notch security measures. You can shop without worrying about your data, so you can shop with peace of mind. Enjoy a hassle-free and secure shopping experience. What more could you ask for? AliExpress truly rocks. Section 5. Score epic deals like a pro. Ready to become an AliExpress ninja? It's easier than you think. Here are some hot tips to score the best deals and save big. First, check out the flash deals section. These are time-limited offers that can save you a ton of money. Lightning-fast deals that won't last long. So act quickly to grab them before they're gone. Second, look for coupons. You can find them on product pages or the AliExpress coupons page. These little codes can make a big difference in your final price. Third, use the Add to Cart button. This simple action can sometimes unlock additional discounts. Sometimes sellers offer discounts just for adding items to your cart. Sneaky, right? But it works. And lastly, don't be afraid to haggle. Yes, you can negotiate prices even online. You can contact sellers directly to negotiate prices. A friendly message can sometimes lead to a better deal. You never know, you might get an even better deal, so go ahead and start shopping like a pro. Section 6. AliExpress, your new BFF for online shopping. So there you have it, folks. AliExpress is like a treasure chest of amazing finds, at prices that won't break the bank. It's easy to use, safe, and oh so addictive. Trust me, once you go AliExpress, you'll never go back. Happy shopping, everyone.